So 안녕하세요 is the most common way to greet people in Korean.
네.
So 안녕하세요 can be broken down into 안녕 and
하세요.
right. So what does 안녕 mean? 안녕.
안녕 means peace or well-being.
And
And 하세요 means you do or do you, depending on whether it is a question or not.
yeah, so when you write it, you can write it as 안녕하세요 period or 안녕하세요 question mark. Either of them is okay. So it was originally a question asking, are you doing well? Are you at peace? Are you living well? But since it is an expression that is so commonly used, people kind of started not expecting any special answer anymore. For example, when you ask a friend of yours, what's up? Do you really expect an honest answer about what's going on?
No.
You might also hear back, what's up, too,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So
right.
it's exactly like that. So when you say 안녕하세요 to 경은 씨 might say to you
안녕하세요.
also. So this is a sample dialogue between Kyunghoon and I when, we want to greet each other.
Okay.
Okay, so it's 8 o'clock in the morning. No, 9. I don't want to meet you so early in the morning. 9 o'clock in the morning. No, that's too early too.
Yeah, I think so.
10 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
And I see you.
Uh-huh.
I want to avoid meeting you, but
All right.
I am too late. So I have to say, hey, hi.
I'm going to ignore you.
No, you have to
All right. Okay.
answer me because this is a
All right.
sample dialogue.
Okay.
So I go up to you and say, 안녕하세요.
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 안녕하세요. So I can pretend that
Yes.
we are still on good terms.
Yeah.
Just kidding. But before you learn any more, please remember that in Korean, there are a few politeness levels.
Yes. It's very important.
It is very important to know these politeness levels, but
Yes.
sometimes it is intimidating for beginners
Mm-hmm.
to find out that there are politeness levels,
Mm-hmm.
but it's not so difficult if you learn more. But don't worry, politeness levels are not too difficult to master. So we can divide them mainly into two categories, and they are quite easy to distinguish and learn to use. One category is called
존댓말.
존댓말. Don't worry about the term. You don't have to
Yes.
even remember the term.
Uh-huh.
존댓말,
존댓말.
which means polite or formal language.
Yes.
And the other thing is
반말.
반말, which means casual, intimate, or informal language.
반말.
반말. So for now, remember that most sentences that end in 요, just like 안녕하세요,
안녕하세요.
or 니다, just like the other one that we're going to learn, 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
What was it again? 요 and
니다.
again?
요 and 니다.
What?
요 and 니다.
One last time.
Okay. 요 or 니다.
As in the example, 안녕하세요
안녕하세요.
and
감사합니다.
감사합니다. In Korean, if you hear sentences that end in something something 요
요,
or something something 니다,
니다.
that's 존댓말,
존댓말.
polite language or formal language.
Yes.
So, do you think it is better to go from the intimate language and learn to use 존댓말 or the other way around? I think it is better to learn 존댓말 first.
I think so.
You think so too?
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah, I think so too because if you speak 존댓말
Yes.
when you are supposed to use 반말,
Mm-hmm.
you're not going to be in too much trouble.
Yeah,
But
right.
if you use 반말, intimate language or informal language, when you are supposed to be using 존댓말,
Mm-hmm.
you might get in trouble. Okay, with that in mind, let's go on to the second expression that we're going to learn.
Okay.
And this is going to be the last expression that we're going to learn. If you
Alright.
think this lesson is too short, don't worry. Lesson 2 is waiting for you.
Yes.
Where? At
Talk to me in Korean.
.com.
.com.
Is it .net, .org?
.com. Talk to
.com.
me in Korean.com.
Talk to me in Korean.com.
Yes.
By learning Korean at talktomeinkorean.com, you will be able to talk to us in Korean.
Yes.
But just remember the URL, talktomeinkorean.com. So the other expression is thank you.
감사합니다.
감사합니다. One more time.
감사합니다.
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 So 감사합니다 can also be broken down into two parts.
네.
감사
and
합니다. So what is 감사?
감사 means appreciation.
appreciation or
yes.
thanking someone.
Yeah,
So-
thanking someone.
합니다 is I do
I do.
in the most polite way.
네.
So
So it's 존댓말.
존댓말.
Yes.
Do you remember the term?
Polite and formal language?
Right. I said it is not important to remember the term right now,
Yeah.
but I think it is important to at least recognize the term
yes, right.
if we say 존댓말 and 반말. So 존댓말 is polite and 반말 is just informal.
yes.
casual.
So 감사합니다. Here it is 니다.
Mhm.
So it's 존댓말.
Right. Here it ends in 니다, so it is a word or a phrase in 존댓말. But in English, if you think about it, people can say thanks,
Yeah,
right?
thanks.
Thanks. But usually,
Mhm.
most of the time, what do people say?
Thank you.
Thank you. So in English, you have this word you there. You have this pronoun
Yes.
you. But in Korean, we don't have to say
Yeah, right.
감사합니다 you or you 감사합니다.
No.
Because
no, we
if you
didn't
say-
it like
right.
that.
Just like if I say thanks to you,
Yes.
looking at you, I say thanks, and you will see that I am thanking you,
yeah,
not
right.
my mother or not my
course.
father or just anybody just walking past me.
Uh-huh.
I am thanking you, right?
Yeah,
So
right.
it is easy to guess who I'm thanking. So in Korean, people just say
감사합니다.
감사합니다 to say thank you.
Yes.
And as you learn more Korean expressions, you will also see that there are many more expressions that are not inclusive of the subject in the sentence.
Yeah, right.
So in the first expression that we learned also, I said 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
I didn't say you 안녕하세요.
Yeah.
경은 안녕하세요.
Yes, we didn't say the subject.
And you and I didn't have a problem understanding that we're actually referring to each other.
Yeah, right.
So today we learned two expressions, two valuable expressions, indispensable expressions.
Yes, very important things
Yeah,
to
right.
learn.
To learn. So, and to use as well
Yes.
every day. So if you have a Korean friend around, or if you're living in Korea, if you haven't used these expressions so far, please try to use them as often as possible.
Mhm.
These expressions don't hurt to
Of
use
course.
often. So what was the first one again?
안녕하세요.
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 안녕하세요. And the second one is
감사합니다.
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 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Great. I think that's it.
감사합니다.
감사합니다. Although we know how to say 안녕하세요 and 감사합니다, unfortunately we don't know, or our absolute beginner listeners don't know yet how to say goodbye